Okay, so this is my real life house. Well, I tried making it. This is the front. These trees are supposed to be bushes.
Who are you talking
I'm talking to YouTube. That's my cousin Mia, if you guys don't know. So this is our old red car, and then our prison, our, what is it called? Mom, I mean our Prius. Our Prius. Never mind. We come over here. We come in here, and then we have my right living room, and my dining table, a huge TV. That was I tried to make it. These were supposed to be glass, but the books are supposed to be glass things, but like fragile things. But yeah, our kitchen. You put hashtags. Anyway, the living room. I put this there because I wanted to. My cousin Mia is here. Say hi. Mia, you can talk. They can hear you. She's a little bit shy. This is my mom's and my dad's office. Then we go into this laundry room. It's a little bit too big. This is a little bit too small. So, yeah.
Can I get a hoya?
Hoya! Okay, anyway. This is supposed to be a shoe closet. This is supposed to be a shoe closet, but it's a little mini library. And then this is supposed to be an Egypt bathroom, but yeah. Anyway, so that's downstairs. Let's go upstairs. Oh no. Okay. This is my mom's and my dad's room. The balcony, their bed and stuff. Their bathroom, their closet, and their little toilet room. This was supposed to be my brother's room, but I turned it into a bowling alley. Because I don't like it. But anywho, yeah, anyway. So there's that. Now, this is supposed to be the restroom right next to my brother's room, but yeah. This is my sister's room. Yeah. Then this is my room, my dream bedroom at least. And yeah, that's it for this little tour thing. Hope you guys enjoyed that. By the way, if you guys didn't already notice, I do love Team 10, and if you don't belong on this channel. Okay, you don't. Well, I mean, if you really do like me, then like as a YouTuber, then go ahead and stay. But if you hate Jake Paul, please leave. There is an exit button somewhere on this screen. But still, subscribe. Comment down below if you have Bloxburg and you make a good house, or have you ever made your real life house. Oh, wait, one more thing. This, the little garage thingy. Oh well. Anyway, hope you guys like this video. If you really did like my real life house. Oh, by the way, this was supposed to be cheetah print. So yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. And yeah, toodaloo.